Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my winter FabFitFun box. This is a winter 2020 box and it's my first time ordering FabFitFun. I've thought about it many times before, but there was an item this time around that made me actually jump on it and order it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. The first item on top is just an issue of their FabFitFun magazine. Inside they have some celebrity info and just little tips about the boxes and a hint for the next season's box. Underneath that is just some discount codes and promotions. Little FabFitFun sticker, kinda cute. But we'll gather this stuff up and get it to the side so we can get to the good stuff down below. First item is these Paradox blemish patches. I recently started using blemish patches and I find that I really like them. I don't get that many spots anymore, but when I do, these do clear them up right away. The next item is Guardian Angel Eye Gels. I do use eye gels time to time when my eyes get puffy. I've never used this brand, but they look a little nicer than the ones I usually use, so I'm pretty excited to try them. The next item is the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. I've never done dry brushing before, so I look forward to trying it out. We'll see if it makes it to my daily routine or not. The next item came wrapped securely for protection during the trip, and I'm happy for it because I really like this blusher. It's a Phase Zero Making Moves blusher. It's a really peachy tone. I don't have anything exactly this color in my makeup box right now, so I was really happy to see that as well. Here's a Kind Thins bar. I'm sure you'll be seeing that make an appearance in one of my What's for Lunch videos. And here we have a Rhythm of the Rain hair mask. I was really excited about this because I love hair masks. My hair tends to be dry, so we'll give this a try. Next item up is the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice Eye Palette. I was happy to see this as well because these are just my colors. I'll insert a photo so you can see up close. And the next item is the reason I ordered the box in the first place. It's the one that really caught my eye, and I was excited to see that they still had them in stock when I went into my customization. And that item is the Lily Pulitzer coffee cups, teacups, whatever you want to put in them cups. I will be using them for tea. They just look like a great cup to have my afternoon tea in. They have a really beautiful pattern on the outside and just the colors that I love. And on the inside they have the cute gold detailing and on the handle as well. Just a really nice cup to sit down and treat yourself to a cup of nice herbal tea. So I'm really looking forward to using those. The last item is the Summer and Rose robe. Say that 5 times fast. I really like this robe. It's soft, it's fluffy, and it has pockets, and I love pockets. I always need a pocket to throw in my cell phone, scrunchies, whatever I'm wandering around with in the mornings. And this robe is just so cozy. I cannot even describe to you how cozy it is, but it's just like a little marshmallow. Now, it's going to be hard for me to show it to you in the video because I'm using my overhead mount that I use in my recipe videos, but I will insert a full-length photo of the robe just so you can get a gist of like what the length is and the material and all that. I'm struggling to show you here, but like I said, just from the angle, it's hard to really get a good grasp of what it looks like full length, although you can see the material and how comfy it looks. And pockets. There's the belt. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing video today. Don't forget to check out the video description to get your $10 off code for your first seasonal FabFitFun box, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.